Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your business address on QuickBooks. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and change your business address. Maybe you work from home and you've moved to a new location. How do you actually go ahead and do this? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto QuickBooks. Then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on this gear icon. Once you click on this gear icon, you want to click on Account and Settings. And then once you click on Account and Settings, you're going to reach this general info page that looks like this. This general info page gives you your business name, business email, business phone number, and business address. In order to change your business address, you're going to click on Edit right next to the business address. And now this is a really important step, guys. Basically, you're going to change this information here so it matches your business. Now keep in mind that this is going to be the address that's used to calculate your applicable taxes for your QuickBooks subscriptions. So make sure that it's the address that you want to use when it comes to taxes. After you've entered your new address, just simply click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your business address on QuickBooks. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.